Every engine built today faces a fundamental challenge: achieving absolute consistency across millions of intricate components. Even minor deviations can lead to reduced performance, premature wear, and costly failures. The traditional methods, reliant on human inspection and fixed automation, often struggle to eliminate this inherent variability, creating an invisible ceiling on quality and lifespan. Historically, engine manufacturing involved a series of discrete, human-supervised steps. Assembly lines moved parts through stages where human operators or conventional robots performed repetitive tasks. This system, while effective for mass production, introduced potential points of failure, from microscopic material inconsistencies to slight misalignment during assembly. Manual quality checks, even with trained eyes, could not capture every anomaly. This limitation created a demand for a new paradigm. Artificial intelligence and advanced robotics are now converging to transform this landscape. These systems offer precision and consistency unattainable by human hands, executing tasks with unyielding accuracy, hour after hour, without fatigue. In the design phase, generative AI algorithms explore vast solution spaces for engine components. Engineers define constraints such as material properties, weight targets, and performance metrics. The AI then synthesizes thousands of design iterations, often yielding geometries beyond human intuition. This process optimizes structural integrity while minimizing mass, as seen in how BMW and Ford utilized AI to design lighter, more fuel-efficient engine parts. These AI-driven approaches can reduce part development timelines by 10 to 20%. On the production floor, AI-guided robotics manage the precise assembly of complex engine blocks. Advanced computer vision systems, powered by deep learning, perform instantaneous quality inspections. They identify minute surface defects, dimensional variances, or assembly inconsistencies with a detection rate up to 90% higher than manual inspection. This real-time analysis allows for immediate corrective action, preventing defects from progressing down the line. Consider BMW's custom-developed AI platform, AIQX. This system integrates cameras and sensors on conveyor belts to automate quality processes, providing immediate feedback to production line personnel. Similarly, Ford employs intelligent robots that learn and optimize assembly sequences, determining the most efficient methods for component integration. Audi also leverages AI-driven visual inspection to ensure the quality of welded joints in vehicle assembly. This continuous data feedback loop is critical. AI systems analyze vast amounts of real-time sensor data from machinery, identifying subtle patterns and anomalies indicative of potential issues. This allows for predictive quality orchestration, where the manufacturing process itself learns and adapts, constantly refining parameters to enhance output consistency and reduce variation. However, integrating such sophisticated AI systems is not without its complexities. Initial implementation demands significant investment and robust data infrastructure. Furthermore, manufacturers must navigate the challenges of unifying data from disparate systems and addressing potential data privacy concerns. The dynamic landscape of diverse powertrains, including electric, hybrid, and internal combustion engines, necessitates flexible and adaptable AI frameworks. The role of human labor simultaneously undergoes a transformation. Rather than replacing workers entirely, AI redeploys human expertise. Personnel transition from repetitive manual tasks to overseeing AI systems, programming new operations, performing maintenance, and focusing on higher-level strategic and creative functions. Collaborative robots, or Cobots, work alongside humans, assisting with physically demanding or complex tasks. The direct consequence is an engine with an unprecedented level of quality and performance consistency. Parts fit with exact tolerances, reducing internal friction and improving thermodynamic efficiency. The probability of early component failure diminishes, contributing to a longer operational lifespan for the engine. The economic benefits extend throughout the lifecycle. Predictive maintenance, driven by AI, reduces unplanned equipment downtime by as much as 67% and cuts overall maintenance costs by up to 45%. This proactive approach minimizes waste, optimizes inventory, and increases production throughput. Considering these advancements, a critical question emerges. If your next vehicle does not incorporate engines built with this level of AI precision, what performance and reliability advantages are you conceding? Vehicles with conventionally manufactured engines may not achieve the same calibrated efficiency or demonstrate the same longevity. Predictive maintenance, a key benefit of AI in manufacturing, can significantly extend a vehicle's lifespan and proactively reduce expensive repairs. Looking forward, AI is paving the way for fully self-optimizing factories. Digital twin technology, a virtual replica of the physical production line, allows AI to simulate and test new manufacturing scenarios and design iterations without disrupting actual production. This also drives sustainable practices by optimizing energy consumption and minimizing material waste. For automotive manufacturers, embracing these AI-driven methodologies is no longer merely an option, it is a strategic imperative. Companies that integrate advanced AI solutions into their core manufacturing processes are gaining a distinct competitive edge in innovation, efficiency, and product reliability. Those that delay adoption risk obsolescence in a rapidly evolving market demanding superior engineering. The shift in engine manufacturing is fundamental and irreversible. AI has established a new benchmark for automotive excellence, impacting every vehicle that leaves the assembly line. The question is not if AI will build your next car, but rather, what capabilities your next car will lack if it isn't.